Hello.
Hello. Sunday morning again. We left you last night where I'd just finished taping up and we got the headliner back in and the side on. Today was supposed to be sunny with intermittent clouds, and as you can see it's now completely overcast and looks like it's going to pour down. We've set up for doing
The side pods or side flares.
Oh yeah, whatever you want to call them. They've been neglected, haven't they?
Yes.
So we're going to start by trimming up the edges on the one that we popped out of the mould. Yeah, that one. So we'll get on with that.
I don't know why you didn't do that in the first place.
Because it wouldn't clamp up the other way around.
Ah, true.
Otherwise I would have.
True.
We've got to. If we want to get this job done, we need to sand and sand.
They're going on Wolfie. Taking the windows out at the back and putting them in instead. No, not the window wiper windows. They'll still be there. The window wipers and the back doors will be there. But you know, at the side, the windows there for Wolfie. We're taking them out.
This one is the Big Boy Flexi Filler plastic, and it is for GRP and resin products. It will fill it. It's held all right on the other one. In fact, it's done a good job on the other one. So, I mean, only time will tell, but it's been a few months since I did that, hasn't it?
Yeah.
No, don't worry about getting it on your gloves. It'll dry in 2 minutes.
Where did I see holes?
Say, don't worry about it being perfect. Just stick it in.
Looking good, John boy. Right, there we go.
Right, let's stand this one up and out of the way.
Oh, she's a girl. Come on, out the way. You need to lie over here at the glass. Put your mask back on.
What is he doing?
No idea.
He went upstairs before.
What?
He went upstairs before.
Probably
I
upstairs.
said, Maximus, where are you? He said, I'm upstairs.
I'm upstairs.
I'm not talking to you. Doing jobs that don't.
You said we were working on van.
Maximus isn't very happy because he can't get involved in this job.
No.
Da, 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 da. And he's being told to stay back.
Because of the dust. Because of the dust.
Right, let's let that burn off.
Didn't know I was filling, dear.
Health and safety, the nest of wires, 4 different sanders on the go. So this one's had 1 fill and 1 sand. You can see the rain's coming now, so I'm going to pack up. But we've had a good few hours on it. This one has had several fills. I think 3 fills now and 3 sands. So that's due another sand. But I think I'm going to move down to 120 on that now and start smoothing it up, because I'm getting to a point now where I'm getting quite happy with this one. Right, so we're going to do pods today. It did say it was supposed to be sunny today, but it looks like it's going to rain. So we've set the pods out, we're back on them. This one's ready for sanding. and this one's ready for filling, and I think it's going to be another couple of goes on each one really to build them up. We won't film the sanding and filling, but it's probably going to be a few hours of that today. So we're down the rabbit hole now. The sun's come out though, but this one's probably the better one of the two, and is looking somewhere near now. I've just filled out some bits on there before we went for a walk. This one was the first one I did, and its edges are not quite as clean, but it's getting there and it's feeling nice now. Just got to sand back this other side. I've just knocked an air bubble out there, so that'll need some filler in. Tidy up these edges now.
Graham's just doing a bit of wet and dry on the side pods now.
Starting to feel quite nice now though, with a couple of little bits. That's good. That will probably need, well, I know there's a couple of big bits. Look at the muck coming off now. Oh.
Nearly.
It's basically just been a whole day of sanding and filling and sanding and filling. I gave this one a wash and a wet and dry, and it just let me see all the last little bits. So that's got its last filler in, I think, or I hope, and then that'll be good. And then this one, this is the better one of the two. This needs a wash after this, and a wet and dry, and then I'll just fill out these little air pockets and a couple of little marks here, and then they'll both be ready for some primer. That one's looking ready now. That's just had its 360 wet and dry. I'm going to give it another rinse, just get any bits off it. This one's going to get wet and dried now, but that's looking nice. Ready for some primer. I definitely don't know what the time is now, but they are both wet sanded to 320, and they're ready for some primer, and they look pretty bloody good, to say they didn't exist. Hopefully they fit right. Oh man, because there's some hours gone into this. Oh, that's my knee cracking. They look pretty good. Pretty good indeed. Let's check the time. I did have a clear out in me garage yesterday, but it's just the same old story. It's 12 minutes past 7. So that's another full day gone on the pods, and thinking about it, I don't know how many days has gone into it, possibly about 10 days I would imagine, and that was from making a cardboard template, measuring up, making a cardboard template, making the mould, casting the moulds, casting one and then the other, and then there's days of just sanding and making good and filling out. So I think that's going to be it. I think we'll call this one a video because you'll have seen quite a bit, and then the next part will be priming and painting. Thanks very much for watching. If you've enjoyed, please like and subscribe. The notification bell if that's your thing. And yeah, we'll see you in another one. Thanks very much. Take care. Bye bye now.